already June 23 and today is Monday, 8:30 a.m. and it's our third week of summer class. And maaga ko pumapasok kasi sumasabay ako kay Dad. And this vlog will be a week in my life. Maybe this is the last vlog for the season 3. And I'm also using this time para mag-review and gumawa ng mga gawain. So, yung klase ko kasi is 10 a.m. pa. That's why I have a lot of time to eat breakfast. I also have to review since tomorrow will be our midterm examination for 2 subjects. So, I think classmate ko and sumabay lang ako. So I'm waiting for my next class. It's 1 to 3 p.m. I also bought shake fries kasi allowed kami kumain sa next class. And nakakatutong siya super.
Where ka?
Ha?
Nasaan ka?
Nasa room pa din. For
Bye!
Bye. So, si Ignara, absent siya ng first class. Kaya hindi kami sabay nag-lunch. Patay na lang.
Ganun na lang. Panjaw.
And unequal access to water.
Ganito yung mga nag-aaral.
Natanong kayo yung
Napakabait ko po.
Ano nga yun?
Napakasunod yung chapter sa Bible. Kasama ka siya?
Anong hayop?
Moises, may kasama hayop?
Kambing!
Si Noah yun. Diba? Saan gawa si Eva? Yun. Read.
Paano naging tadyang yun?
Oo nga, kinuha nga ni Lord.
Di hapon.
Bibli. Bibli yan, ha? Bibli. Sino ang dumating pagkatapos ni Panginoon?
Tatlong hari!
Ang musgahan ng Singso Kristo sa gitna ni Poncio Pilato. Sino yung isa niyang kasama?
Silong.
Mali.
Saint Peter.
Naala! Ano huling salita ni Jesus Christ? Lukuhin nyo, lukuhin nyo.
Mama Mary.
Ina! Mapabuhay pa daw ka.
Aray!
Siyempre, masakit eh.
My last class for today. We have our quiz through alas. Don't look like siyang ano, para siyang simulan. Our first exam was done. We still have one exam. Very nice. Ano yung ang kita na lang is yung pag ganon. Second exam done. And then we're going.
Kaya naghahanap ng cellphone na tinago ko.
Oh.
Hindi mo bibigay.
Hindi mo ba kinuha kanina? Baka hindi ka nag-surrender.
Like, kahit pinabot ko sa'yo kanina. Ala.
Ay, hindi ako kumuha. Haluwatin mo pa yung bag ko. So hi guys, I just got home and it's already 6 p.m. And magluluto lang ako ng dinner. Nagpa ako ng steak kasi nag-crave talaga ako sa steak. And yung nangyari lang naman today is kumuha ko ng educational assistance. We had our exams, 2 examination. And for tomorrow, I still have 1 exam. So mag-study ako later after ko mag-dinner. And look at our dogs. This is Mayteam, Joe, Snow, Metis. This is Amethyst. And this is Iglot. And we only have 1 cat. And let's taste this lengua de gato that my cousin got from Baguio. Or is it?
Slow.
So this is the steak. This is from SNR and I don't know. Oh, no. This is a lamb. Lamb shoulder steak. Oh, so this is not a beef. This is my first time to try a lamb actually. Parang medyo natatakot ako. Kasi ako fan ng kambing. And ang na-associate ko sa lamb is kambing. But anyway, still try this for experience. And nakikrave nga ako ng steak. So, let's do this. So, I'll just put salt and pepper, rosemary, and some Italian seasoning. Cook some lumpiang gulay because I'm craving for some gulay and yun lang yung available. If you're hearing my music right now, it's the Awit ng Paghahangad because I don't know, I feel like listening to that song and super nakakam na yung inner child, yung inner self ko right now. So what I'm having right now is this is the lamb steak, which is the first time that I'll try it. Well, lamb in general. And I also have some lumpiang gulay in here because I'm craving for gulay. And I have some kimchi. Hindi ito makakawala sa akin. This one is from Dali. Yung lagi kong binibili. And to elevate it even more, I have here a white wine. Yeah, I know that steak is for red wine. But mas tolerable kasi sa akin yung white wine. And this one is a Swalhairo Alvarino. And this one is the one that I've got during the competition. Though hindi ito yung inopen ko na bottle. Oh, it opens. Konti na lang siya kasi iniinom siya ni Daddy.
I'm having a steak and wine tonight. Mika girl. So let's eat. Bon appetit. Regarding the camera giveaway, I'll be announcing the winner on this video. Watch yung buong vlog. And wait na kung sinong panalo sa giveaway. I'll be having a tiny piece muna to taste. It's my first time to try a lamb. Yeah. It just tastes like a beef. However, mas pronounce yung tawag mo dun. Yung anggo niya. Like, mas defined yung anggo niya. And, not that bad. But for me, it's good. But I like beef steak better. Kasi, super anggo niya. Like, girl, I don't eat kambing. I just finished eating and mag-aaral lang ako for an hour. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we also have an examination. One examination. And discussion, I think. Whew. So wish me luck for my last exam. Although yung exams ko kanina, they're all good. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, we just finished eating at Jollibee. And tapos na yung exams. All exams are done. And we're here waiting for the next class. And look. Struck us. Guys, nakasalubong kami ng ratatouille. It's time to try. Para siyang milk na soft drinks. Malamang carbonated milk ba? Hi guys, good afternoon. Nasagasaan siya, di ba?
Bakit mo record sa amin